Gwa kahinda riu namba ya arigitani aria marikagia mathomo mao guku bururi-ini magacoka magathie gwetha mawira ma urigitani nja wa bururi ikoretwo ikiongerereka undu uria ni ugwati hari kugacira kwa ruhonge rwa urigitani. Ndumiriri ino ni kuringana na murugamiriri munene thibitari-ini wa Avenue Home Care guku bururi-ini niwe MACKENZIE uria uritie thirikari kugacirithia ruhonge ruru kugiririria undu uyu guthie na mbere na kwihiriria makiria.
Keeping our health workers home. I know there are a lot of talks ongoing with the different councils, with the unions, to just try and see what can we do better to make the working, the spaces that we work in be convenient for us so that we're not running outside the country.
Hamwe na uguo, muingi ni uritio kuhimbiria mutugo wa guthimo mahinda kwa mahinda niguo gwithema na kuongerereka kwa mirimu iria tari ya kugwatania na iria kuratuika yongererekete na gikiro kinene guku bururi-ini.
For us to lower the cost of healthcare in this country, we need to focus on preventative healthcare and promotive healthcare, because you're seeing that non-communicable diseases are rising. They've overtaken the communicable diseases. So if we teach our people that they need to live a healthy life.
Makiaria hindi ya kuhingura ruhonge rweru rwa thibitari wa Avenue Home Care mwena wa Junction Mall, ningi thirikari ni uritio kugacirithia ruhonge rwa NHIF kuona ni rukoragwo ruri na uguni munene kuri mukenya wa kawaida.
If you have NHIF and if you put your money aside every month, that 500 shillings, the time that will come, because I keep telling people that time will come when you will need that service or your family member will need that service. If you have NHIF, you're able to get services in any of the public healthcare facilities and even private healthcare facilities that are accredited. So what I can urge people is you put your money aside, small amounts every time, and you'll be able to achieve that 500 shillings that will allow you to access care.
Hado ini ha Kameme TV, yetu adia kwa ni Wanjiku wa Batia.